Hey everyone, this is my custom Emerson electric type 77646 AL 12-inch oscillating fan. And in today's video I'm going to give you a good detailed look at this fan and as well give some information about it. Now typically these fans were finished in a high gloss black finish with nickel trim on the badging and on the motor tag, but as you can see I've done this one up in Ivory. And this idea isn't original. I do know somebody with a factory Ivory example from Emerson, and theirs is a 16-inch version, and it's the only one I've ever seen in the wild. I've also seen the example over at the channel Derek's Ceiling Fans. He's got a couple of videos about his Ivory 77646AL, so I'll provide links to those in the description of my video here, and get over and take a look at those if you get a chance. Now, according to the motor's data plate, this fan was made in 1946, so it's definitely got some age to it. And so what we'll do now is go into all the detail shots, and after those all run through, we'll be back here and I'll close the video out. So please enjoy the show. And so with that, we will conclude this video. I'd like to thank you for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed seeing this old Emerson in all of its beauty. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to hit that like button below. And if you haven't already, please also be sure to hit that subscribe button as well, because We will have more to come. And so with that, we will see you later.